In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Google's site. By the end, your Google site will open when someone types your GoDaddy domain, and you'll understand what each step does so you can troubleshoot confidently if anything takes a moment to update. First, open the Google site you want to connect. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and that the site is the one you intend to publish. If you have multiple sites or drafts, double check you're on the right one before moving on. In the editor, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open settings, then choose custom domains. This is where Google Sites manages the connection between your site and a domain you already own. You don't need to transfer your domain, you're just pointing it to your Google site. Click Start Setup. When you're asked how you want to proceed, choose Use a domain from a third party. This simply means your domain is registered somewhere else here at GoDaddy. Enter your GoDaddy domain exactly as you want visitors to use it. For a root domain, type it without HTTP or www like example.com. If you plan to use a subdomain, type it in full, such as www.example.com or blog.example.com. Accuracy matters here, no extra spaces or characters. Next, follow the prompts to verify ownership. Google will usually give you a TXT record to add to your domain's DNS. Leave the Google Sites window open, then in a new tab sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain's DNS management page. Add a new record of type TXT. For the host or name field, Google typically shows @ for the root domain or a specific host value if needed. For the value field, paste the long string exactly as Google provides it. Keep the TTL at the default unless you know you need something else. Save the record, return to Google Sites and click to verify. DNS updates can take a few minutes, sometimes longer, so if verification doesn't pass right away, wait a bit and try again. Make sure you added the TXT to the correct domain and didn't paste extra spaces. Once verification succeeds, Google will complete the connection process. It can take time for the domain to start showing your site everywhere on the internet, so be patient. Test in a fresh browser or on your phone's data if you don't see it immediately. And remember to publish updates in Google Sites when you make changes. That's it. You've connected your GoDaddy domain to your Google site successfully.